Welcome back, guys, to our channel, and today we're going to be installing another set of fog lights just to spice things up. I know I did a fog light video before, and that was installing the harness and all that, but today we're just completely revamping our fog light system. So we were actually grateful that Amazon company reached out to us to give an honest review on this set of fog lights. So these fog lights, they're LED. Currently I have the halogen lights, as you can see. If you really want to go for that type of look, these are the fog lights for you. And also stay tuned towards the end about a giveaway for our 300 subscriber count. So thank you guys for the amazing support that you have given us, and yeah, just look forward to this video. Alright guys, now we're getting into the unboxing. I will have the Amazon link down into the description below so that you guys can check them out for yourself. So right off the bat, you will have 2 mounting screws and the 2 fog lights itself. It does not come with the wiring harness, but if you do want to check that out and we're interested in installing the wiring harness, check out my other video. I will also link that down below. And as you can see, this is what the design is. The cool thing about this kit is it's a direct plug and play. So if you have already installed the wiring harness and the fog lights on your own, you can just swap these in and out. But like I said before, if you do need to reference a video on how to install that harness, check out my other video. I go into full detail on how to install the fog light kit. And the first step to remove the housing of these fog lights is you're going to need a screwdriver, preferably something short so that you can reach back there. There's going to be a mounting screw back there that you'll use to unscrew. Then you're going to unclip the 2 clips on each side, and I'll go under to show you to remove the housing itself. You're going to remove this light, and then with your screw you are going to unscrew this. And then as far as the clips, I have sort of removed it, but it's right here and one on the other side so that you can move this freely. So you can remove the fog lights. And as you can see, the ugly halogen housing fog lights compared to the new LEDs, I think this whole look just makes the truck look a little more futuristic. I don't know, we'll see how it shoots out the light after we install it. And to install these fog lights, you want to get that mounting screw. Go ahead and screw it on the back. You want to get a few threads on there so that when you install it, these 2 clips will grab into the back, and then you can adjust it accordingly. And then feed the wire through the back, line things up, and then tighten it from the back. Alright, now that you have it snugged in, you can, like I said before, adjust it accordingly. And then with these lights right here, all you want to do is unplug the halogen light. So there's a clip back here that you need to remove, and then connect this to the LED lights. Alright, so now that we got the left side on, repeat the process for the right side and then test them out. If they don't turn on, just simply unplug, turn them 180, plug them back up, and that should do it. So let's try it. So here are the halogen bulbs with the OEM housings, and here are the aftermarket fog lights. Alright guys, as you can see, this is another day, but I wanted to pick out a perfect time throughout the day to give you enough lighting so that you can visually see these fog lights in action. Personally, in my opinion, I really love the look. Makes the truck look a little newer, and as far as like a 2005, I love the white lights, especially on the bumper. Alright guys, as a huge thanks, I want to thank you for supporting our channel. We did not expect us to get to this 300 subscriber count, but in this celebration, we are doing a giveaway. So our first giveaway is going to be these fog lights itself. So if you have these, this specific model, I will send you a pair of these fog lights as a thank you. I would choose one lucky winner. There's 3 steps to enter this giveaway, and they're very simple. The first one is subscribing to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Our second step is go ahead and follow us on our Instagram. It's the same name, theyotaduo. And the third step is just give me some interaction. Just give me some love, like all my pictures, comment down, send me your picture of your own Tacoma. So all you have to do is those 3 steps. And yeah, just a huge thank you to all our fans and just supporting our channel.